An emergency landing was carried out in Phuket following a bomb threat aboard Air India flight AI 379. Earlier today, Phuket International Airport received a report from the Aeronautical Radio of Thailand. A message threatening a bomb was found during Air India flight AI 379 from Phuket to Delhi, carrying 156 passengers. The pilot requested an emergency landing at Phuket International Airport. The airport activated its airport contingency plan, which covers bomb threat protocols. All emergency procedures and preparedness measures were immediately put in place. Updates will be provided as the situation develops.